This is the second time I'm making this intro. The first time I was literally talking for 2 or 3 minutes and I wasn't recording. So hey, welcome back! Welcome back to my cooking show. The show where we post a new episode every 6 months. The last episode was more than 6 months ago because we ran into some technical difficulties, and that's why I'm back after more than, I think it was a year ago. Anyway, welcome back guys. I've been seeing these fluffy Japanese pancakes, bro. They've been like all over the internet, my Instagram, YouTube, and I watched those videos, like cooking videos in general. I watched them without fail and I was like, you know what, there's no way I'm not gonna make this. This is beautiful. I'm making this video long. You're coming along with me and we're gonna make these pancakes. I am a really good chef, and if you don't believe me, you can go and watch it on my channel. I made them to them on my channel, let alone doing off camera. I made zwiebelj and I also made cinnamon rolls. And then you add, but look, it looks just like the one in the recipe. Wait, I think I forgot to add an ingredient. Yup, I forgot to add baking powder, and it's literally in front of my face. This looks like the easiest one. Pancakes, fluffy pancakes, eggs and sugar and flour, you know? So yeah, let's do this. Hopefully they turn out good. I'm not sure. I'm gonna go pray and then we'll get started. I just prayed. Say may Allah accept, like, but man. So, I have all the ingredients right in front of me. You were right in front of me. And I wrote the recipe here. I'm trying to load the video because I really don't want to mess up. Imagine I mess up fluffy pancakes. It would be so embarrassing. Someone who successfully made zwiebelj messes up pancakes. Let's get started. Do we need 2 eggs? I have 2 eggs here. I need to separate the whites. Guys, I have kids. I don't. There are these kids in my neighborhood that always, like, they literally don't live in my neighborhood, but they always come and play here. And they are so loud, as you can hear it. I am literally, they never shut up. And they literally always like choose the time to play. I'm always trying to study, I'm always trying to film. I wrote it here some. I just wrote the ingredients. I don't know what. Okay, I'm gonna use my chef mind to figure this out. We need milk. If you watched my last video, I had my exams and I told you that most likely I'm gonna fail. She's trying. Let me give you a shot of what I'm doing. Yeah, that's actually a really cool angle. Oh! I messed up. Guys, I messed up. I was supposed to do little spoon measurements and then I did big spoon measurements. I'm just gonna add 1 egg and then add some measurements and call it a day. Let's get the sun. Yeah, I think I just don't know how to write or read. Also, do you guys like my shirt? I really love it. Guess where I got it? Yep, you're right. It's thrifted. It's thrifted, as you all know. I'm always on the hunt for a thrift shop. So as you know, I make thrift shop. Like if I find a new and good thrifting location, I always make videos about it and post it on TikTok. I also have like a playlist on IGTV on my Instagram. If you know a good thrift shop, let me know and I'm gonna go there. And I'm gonna make a thrift video on your place. Okay, this looks good. Thumbnail. Now that we're done with this, we're gonna move to the whites. We're supposed to stir the whites and add sugar to it. I mean 2 little spoons of sugar. Wait, there's tablespoons and there's coffee? No, that's in French. It's bilingual problems, you know? Cuillère coffee or cuillère à soupe, but I don't know them in English, so I'm just lacking right now. I'm gonna name this video making Japanese pancakes, French, English, and Arabic. So, I only found one, so find the second one. I was looking for it for like 15 minutes before I started filming and I didn't find it, so it's going to have to do. Let's start. Every time I'm cooking, I'm always listening to something, whether it's music or a podcast or something. I was gonna put music on and like put you on some songs, but because of HIJAB Telecom, I can't do that. I was gonna get copyrighted, but like it's not that I'm making any money off of making YouTube, so it's not like I'm gonna win either way. يا دوك هذه ما حب تفستقع هذا محشي يمشي هذه يعني بوحدة برك هذا مصباح يحبسني بهيمي. It's ready. This is how you know it's ready. It's not falling, that means it's ready. I'm just eating white eggs in another form with sugar. It's really good. Anyway, we're gonna add this to the first mix and it's gonna be all satisfying. Oh, this is so satisfying. One of the things that I really want to get good at in 2022 is just cooking. I find joy in cooking, actually making something, not just eating it. I think this is the Starbucks thing they have for animals. Like, look, she loves it. The way I'm holding her, I'm sorry. Look at the freaking texture. Okay, so now we're supposed to put the whole mix. You're supposed to put the whole mix in one of these things. This is not the whole mix, there's still so much. But this is what it's looking like. I just remembered, it's 4 p.m. and I haven't had lunch yet. And my mom made this. And it's looking so good. Even though I'm making pancakes right now, this is very tempting. I totally did not just have a full plate. I don't know what you're talking about. Now we're gonna cook. I'm supposed to put oil and then on low heat, put it like this until they shape like a pancake, and then pour some water and let it cook in this steam of water, if that makes sense. I finished the first ones. They're not turning out that fluffy. They're pretty fluffy, like if you look at the texture, but they're not that fluffy. I'm gonna try to fix the problem of the fluffiness, and I'm gonna come back to you with the final result. Hello everybody, and welcome to the taste test. I'm Shelia. Let me have the honor. This is what they look like. So fluffy. Okay, they might not look fluffy and there has to be something wrong, but I don't know what went wrong. I don't know what to blame it on, so I'm just gonna taste test it. Some chocolate on them. Let's see if they taste fluffy. They don't look fluffy, but do they taste fluffy? Did all of that white egg stirring did anything? If you thought I was gonna grab a fork and a knife and eat the pancakes with a fork and a knife, you did not know me, and I'm disappointed in you, and I'm so mad, and I can't believe our friendship turned into this. Let's try this. They are so good. They do taste fluffy. Banana. Knock it okay.
banana. شوكولا ملح حاطه فوق الشوكولا.
Basically, they don't look like I wanted them to look, but they do taste how I wanted them. My sister just told me that she thought that these were like those fluffy ones. No, I told her me too. They do taste very good, so I think this is a success. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you try this because of me, let me know. Hope they turn out better than mine. I hope that yours turns out better than mine, and that was the video. Hope you guys liked it. Give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one.